Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. Now, yeah, Papua New Guinea yesterday, which was Saturday, they got struck with a 6.1 magnitude. No, an incident happened in Indonesia where they had a 5.5 right next to Papua New Guinea, where at least 30 people died. Now, another earthquake hit in that same location. It was a 5.0. Now, volcanic eruption is imminent in Indonesia and also Papua New Guinea. So, guys, if you're watching my video and you're in Indonesia and Papua New Guinea, um, volcanic eruption is basically imminent for that area. Basically, Indonesia is getting a swarm of quake, a lot of 4.5. Oh man, whew. It's not looking good, guys. It is not. Indonesia. It's not looking. It's not looking as if this thing is actually going to stop. What I'm seeing actually, it's intensifying over there. So you guys just be aware, man. And Papua New Guinea is getting a swarm of earthquake. Japan also get a swarm of 5 point. A lot of, I think 5.0. They're still just getting a ton of it. Taiwan, Myanmar again is starting to get hit. Now, guys, over there. Now, let me list a few locations here, guys. Turkey got hit. Turkey and Greece got hit, and pretty decent sized quake. Both got hit at 4.5. Pretty much, as I keep saying, Turkey, Greece. If you're in Turkey, Greece, Sicily, Jordan, these location, Baghdad, these are the locations that are actually going to get hit with earthquake. Kuwait, if you're close beside these regions, not a lot of quake are happening in that location right now, but I'm just listing a few places where it's potential to get earthquake. But once again, bulk of it's going to hit Turkey and Greece. All right, guys. So I hope this information helped. Also, over there in India, India is getting hit. They're getting hit pretty hard. Bangladesh is getting hit hard. On the border of New Delhi and Pakistan is getting hit. Couple 5.0, and extremely north of India. I hope I pronounce this word correctly. Tajikistan, getting a storm of earthquake. They almost got a 6.0. It was a 5.8, but it was a pretty big earthquake. And once again, Alaska is getting a storm of it, guys. Alaska, you guys are going to have a volcanic eruption. It's not if or but, it's going to happen. And a swarm of quake is happening over there right now. So get ready. It's coming. Actually, Russia got hit a 5.9. It was actually a 6.0, but they downgraded it. No, sorry, not Russia. Alaska. Alaska got hit a 6.0, but it was downgraded to a 5.9. No, sorry, not Alaska. Right next to Russia. I'm sorry. Yeah. Not that far from Alaska, though, but yeah, it's north of Tokyo, north of Japan. Again, the place that I'm concerned about right now in the over here in the North American continent is New Mexico. Like there's a place in New Mexico. I think it's called White City, New Mexico. And also Texas. A swarm of quake is happening there. And once again, the San Andreas fault line is getting a ton of 2.0, 2.4, which of course can lead to bigger quakes. All right. The San Andreas fault line is active, folks. Very, very active. All right. Once again, even there's a swarm of quake happening in Nevada. So Nevada, you're getting a lot of 2.0s. San Andreas fault line, a lot of 2.0 and 2.3s. All right. Now, it's pretty much it what I see going on right now. So, and let me go over there in the Caribbean. The British Virgin Islands, guys. Close to St. Croix is having a swarm of earthquake. All right. So if you're in the Caribbean, around Punta Cana, you guys are getting quakes. Also, south of Puerto Rico on the shoreline is getting a lot of quakes. Now, the big quake for the Caribbean is going to hit the Cayman Islands. This is where it's going to hit. So, Cayman Islands, get ready. There's a big quake coming your way. And yeah. So, once again, guys, the focus right now over there is a volcanic eruption is coming. It's definitely imminent. So, Indonesia, because I know they had death toll 2 days ago, 30 plus, and they got hit after that another 5.0 in the same location. So I'm sure other damages were created from that. So this is where the bulk of it are happening. Japan is getting a swarm of 5.0. Indonesia again, south of Indonesia a lot. Myanmar is getting a lot of 5.5. Wow, Myanmar. Woo. And again, in Europe, it's really in Turkey and Greece. So these are the places you want to, if you're in these locations, stay aware. Once again, Alaska, there is a volcanic eruption coming, guys. Interesting times, man. I know I listed a few places. I would just make sure I got everything correct. I would just taking a look at the globe. And again, guys, you notice the seismic activity that's happening, right? Everything is being magnified. All right. Don't get all crazy. Don't get fearful. None of that. All right, guys. Now, as I said, people in Japan, you just have to start preparing yourself and start to be extremely alert, because realistically, when it comes to these seismic activity, we can't stop it from happening. The only thing we can do is just ride the waves. By riding the waves, we just have to prepare ourselves. All right. Indonesia, do the same thing. First aid kit, where to go when you're having seismic activity, the correct place to go in the house, and so forth. You just have to educate yourself. And Papua New Guinea, I would do the same thing. And also this time, if you live over there in California, you got to start learning how to prepare yourself with these seismic activity, folks, because it's going to magnify. All right. And also on top of it, the volcanic eruptions are coming. Indonesia is going to get it. Japan is going to get it. Papua New Guinea, Alaska, those places are going to experience volcanic eruption. Off the coast of Oregon is going to get it. And also over there, Mount St. Helens over there in Washington. So if you start doing some due diligence and start reading some articles, you see that what I'm saying is true, because the experts are actually start to say the same thing. And I've been saying this for a while, guys, but it's a great time to be alive. Cherish it, because they're going to be talking about these moments for thousands of years to come. They're going to write books about it. All right. So be grateful. Don't fear it. Learn to ride the waves. The only way you learn to ride the waves is basically doing your due diligence, doing your research, and know how to prepare. All right. I hope this video helps someone, and I hope this location that I call help the people that actually watch my video and share my video. So thank you, guys. Have a great Sunday, and I appreciate you so much.